Welcome everyone. In this video we will talk about comparing almond milk and cow milk. When it comes to the debate between almond milk and cow milk, there are several key factors to consider. While both provide nutritional benefits, they differ significantly in their composition and health implications. Firstly, the protein content is a major distinction. Cow's milk is a rich source of high-quality protein, with around 8 grams per 8-ounce serving. In contrast, almond milk typically contains only 1 gram of protein per serving. This makes cow's milk a more suitable choice for individuals who are active, growing, or require higher protein intake. However, almond milk offers several advantages. It is lower in calories, containing around 50 calories per serving compared to the 150 calories in cow's milk. Additionally, almond milk is naturally free of cholesterol and contains less saturated fat than cow's milk. This can be beneficial for individuals monitoring their cardiovascular health or following a plant-based diet. In terms of nutrients, almond milk is often fortified with vitamins and minerals, such as calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin E, making it a viable alternative for those seeking dairy-free options. Cow's milk, on the other hand, is a natural source of these essential nutrients. Nonetheless, some plant-based milk alternatives, including almond milk, may have higher calcium content than their dairy counterparts. Another factor to consider is the environmental impact. Almond milk production is generally less water-intensive compared to cow's milk, which requires significant water resources for dairy farming. This makes almond milk a more environmentally friendly choice for some consumers. Ultimately, the choice between almond milk and cow milk depends on individual dietary needs, health considerations, and personal preferences. Both can be part of a balanced diet, and the decision should be based on a thorough evaluation of the specific nutritional and environmental factors that are most important to the individual. In summary, almond milk and cow milk each have their own unique nutritional profiles and health implications. Almond milk is lower in calories and saturated fat, while cow's milk is a richer source of high-quality protein. Both offer different benefits, and the choice between the two should be made based on individual needs and preferences. For more information, please go to the description. There is a lot of important information for you. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to receive everything new. See you in the next videos.